Hey there everyone. So I'm currently peeling some Plastidip off of my wheels here, and I've got this thin stuff that just doesn't want to come off. Even with my fingernail, it's a pain in the ass. So I was trying a few different things, and the best product that literally just wipes it off is this Caliper Cleaner by VHT. Just spray a little bit on the cloth. And you can watch it just disappear. Look at that. It's gone. Just like that. Over here, look, I can't even get it started with my fingernail. Oh, a little bit, but not enough to get a little corner or anything like that. And then give it a little bit of this caliper cleaner, and look at that. It literally, like, I'm not putting any pressure on this or anything, it's just wiping right off. I was looking for a video that would help me and I couldn't find anything, so I just started trying a few different products around the garage, and that's the stuff right there. Hope that helps.